Are you smarter than a monkey? Because when it comes to understanding how the world works, only 7% of you scored higher than monkeys. The rest of you are somewhere here. These are results from the Gapminder test, which is an interactive tool designed to measure our understanding of global development. It has been used to test people from all walks of life and all over the world, and most of these people have scored worse than random chance. The late Swedish statistician and co-founder of Gapminder, Hans Rosling, famously pointed out that if a group of chimpanzees guessed randomly on the quiz, they would outperform the average human. The Gapminder quiz tests basic factual knowledge about the world, covering global poverty, education, health, population growth, and life expectancy. The questions are not particularly difficult, and they're not meant to trick anyone, but most people, including very well-educated people, still get most of them wrong. We tend to believe that the world is poorer and sicker and more dangerous than it truly is. And this consistent pessimism has a psychological explanation. Our brains are wired to notice threats more than improvements, and the news amplifies this by prioritizing stories of crisis, conflict, and catastrophe. These stories grab our attention, but they also distort our perception. Meanwhile, the slow, positive changes in living standards, health, education, etc. rarely make the headlines. I haven't given you answers here, so you can go to Gapminder and take the test yourself. It's at gapminder.org, and there's a full link in the description. And because the results will probably humble you, remember that being smarter than a monkey isn't about scoring perfectly on the quiz, but about updating your worldview from outdated narratives to accurate facts. Because that's one thing that does separate us humans from monkeys. And give me a follow to learn more cool stuff and to be less like a monkey.